Welcome to our Right Path Educare channel, World of GK and your guide to success.
Dear friends, in today's quiz, test your knowledge of India's history, culture, and national facts with 35 engaging multiple choice questions. Let's explore, learn, and challenge ourselves, one question at a time. Question number 1. Where is the headquarters of ISRO located in India? Correct answer is Bengaluru. The Indian Space Research Organisation or ISRO is headquartered in Bengaluru city of Karnataka state. It's the central hub for India's space missions and satellite development. Question number 2. What is the role of the Prime Minister in India? Correct answer is Head of Executive. In India's parliamentary system, the Prime Minister is the head of the executive branch, responsible for running the government and implementing policies. Question number 3. The Taj Mahal, Bibi Ka Maqbara, and Itmad-ud-Daulah in India are monuments of what? Correct answer is deceased persons. These monuments are mausoleums built in memory of loved ones. For example, the Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Question number 4. What is the name of the professional 2020 cricket league in India? Correct answer is the Indian Premier League or IPL. It is a globally popular T20 cricket league featuring top players and franchises from across India and abroad. Question number 5. Which title was recently awarded to Sachin Tendulkar? Correct answer is Bharat Ratna. Sachin Tendulkar was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 2014, making him the first sportsperson to receive India's highest civilian honor. Question number 6. When was the Indian Constitution amended for the first time? Correct answer is 1951. The first amendment to the Indian Constitution was made in 1951. This amendment addressed land reforms and freedom of speech limitations. Question number 7. How many languages are listed in the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is 22. The 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution recognizes 22 official languages, including Hindi, Bengali, Tamil, and others. Question number 8. In which year was the Rowlatt Act implemented in India? Correct answer is 1919. The Rowlatt Act of 1919 allowed the British government to imprison individuals without trial, sparking widespread protests, including the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Question number 9. Which is the oldest mountain range in India? Correct answer is Aravalli Range. The Aravalli Range is one of the world's oldest mountain range, dating back to the Precambrian era that is older than the Himalayas. Question number 10. Boxer Evander Holyfield is known by which nickname? Correct answer is The Real Deal. Evander Holyfield, a legendary American boxer, is famously nicknamed The Real Deal for his powerful performances and championship titles. Question number 11. What are the two houses of the Indian Parliament? Correct answer is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The Indian Parliament is bicameral, consisting of Lok Sabha, that is House of the People, and Rajya Sabha, that is Council of States. These two houses together form the legislative branch of the government. Question number 12. What is another name for the Sahyadri Hills? Correct answer is the Western Ghats. Sahyadri is the regional name for the Western Ghats, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its rich biodiversity and ecological importance. Question number 13. Which is the smallest state in India? Correct answer is Goa. Goa is the smallest state in India by area. Despite its size, it's a major tourist destination known for its beaches, culture, and heritage. Question number 14. Which city in India is known as the Blue City? Correct answer is Jodhpur. Jodhpur is called the Blue City because many houses in its old town are painted blue, giving the city a unique and vibrant appearance. Question number 15. Which note issue system is followed in India? Correct answer is Minimum Reserve System. The Reserve Bank of India uses the Minimum Reserve System to issue currency. It maintains a minimum reserve of 200 crore rupees, including gold and foreign securities. Question number 16. Which Indian state has the highest population? Correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state in India, with over 200 million residents. It plays a major role in national politics and development. Question number 17. What is Milkha Singh famously called? Correct answer is Flying Sikh of India. Milkha Singh earned the title Flying Sikh due to his exceptional speed and achievements in athletics, especially during the 1958 Commonwealth Games. Question number 18. Which is the largest state in India by area? Correct answer is Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest state in India by area. It's known for its desert landscapes, historic forts, and vibrant culture. Question number 19. How many states and union territories are there in India? Correct answer is 28 states and 8 union territories. As of now, India has 28 states and 8 union territories. This structure was updated after the reorganization of Jammu and Kashmir in 2019. Question number 20. Who is the 14th Prime Minister of India? Correct answer is Shri Narendra Modi. Shri Narendra Modi became the 14th Prime Minister of India in 2014. He has led several national initiatives and continues to serve in this role. Question number 21. Which caves were built during the Gupta period? Correct answer is Ajanta Caves. The Ajanta Caves in Maharashtra were developed during the Gupta period and are renowned for their Buddhist murals and sculptures showcasing early Indian art and devotion. Question number 22. Which of the 7 wonders is located in Agra, a city of India? Correct answer is Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal, built by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal, is one of the 7 wonders of the world and a symbol of eternal love. Question number 23. Which 2 cities are referred to as the Twin Cities? Correct answer is Hyderabad and Sikandarabad. Hyderabad and Sikandarabad are called twin cities due to their close proximity and shared infrastructure, though they have distinct historical roots. Question number 24. Who is the father of the nation in India? Correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi led India's non-violent freedom movement and is honored as the father of the nation for his pivotal role in achieving independence. Question number 25. Who wrote India's national anthem, Jan Gan Man? Correct answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore composed Jan Gan Man in Bengali. It was adopted as India's national anthem in 1950 and reflects unity in diversity. Question number 26. Who is called the father of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee and played a key role in shaping the democratic framework of the Indian Constitution. Question number 27. When is Republic Day celebrated in India? Correct answer is the 26th of January. Republic Day marks the adoption of the Indian Constitution in 1950. It is celebrated annually on the 26th of January with parades and patriotic events. Question number 28. What is the folk dance of Andhra Pradesh? Correct answer is Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi is a classical dance form from Andhra Pradesh known for its graceful movements and expressive storytelling rooted in Hindu mythology. Question number 29. Which Indian started the magazine Prabudh Bharat? Correct answer is Swami Vivekanand. Swami Vivekanand founded Prabuddha Bharat, means Awakened India, in 1896 to promote spiritual and cultural awakening through Vedantic philosophy. Question number 30. When was the first mobile phone launched in India? Correct answer is 1995. India's first mobile phone call was made in 1995, marking the beginning of the telecom revolution in the country. Question number 31. Who is the founder of Leverage Edu? Correct answer is Akshay Chaturvedi. Akshay Chaturvedi is the founder and CEO of Leverage Edu, an educational platform that helps students with career guidance and overseas education. Question number 32. What is the legal age to obtain a driving license in India? Correct answer is 18 years. In India, the minimum age to apply for a driving license for a private vehicle is 18 years, as per the Motor Vehicles Act. Question number 33. When was the first national emergency declared in India? Correct answer is 1962. The first national emergency in India was declared on October 26, 1962, during the India-China War. This emergency, proclaimed under Article 352 of the Indian Constitution, on the grounds of external aggression, lasted until January 1968. Question number 34. Who was the first Vice President of India? Correct answer is Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan served as India's first Vice President from 1952 to 1962 and later became the second President of India. Question number 35. Who founded the Gupta dynasty? Correct answer is Sri Gupta. In late 3rd century, Sri Gupta was the founder of the Gupta dynasty, laying the groundwork for the empire's later expansion and cultural achievements.